Hi, and welcome to Scrapbook.com. If you are planning to create handmade Christmas or holiday cards this year, be sure to check out the Christmas Wishes stamp set, which includes 4 stamps on a 3x4 sheet. First one says, "The true joy of the season is in the love shared with friends and family." The next, "Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year," as well as "The most heartfelt of Christmas wishes to you and your family." And the last is "Merry Christmas from our home to yours." Perfect for inside sentiments, for front of card like this. Very beautiful. Here's another example of the stamp set being stamped in white on a darker colored paper. This one is mixed with the Happy Holidays stamp set and included in the Merry Christmas from our home to yours. Fun, pretty, and real easy to do with just 2 simple stamp sets. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.